what we got over here. We're splitting wood. Got the tractors organized over here, so that's pretty good. Stuff organized over here. Still organized. And I get this cart out. I'm gonna make it a go-kart cart maybe. Got an air compressor from a buddy. Got this. But the big idea here is that the next project that we're gonna work on is not this one right here, but it's a different one. So we're gonna take this out of here and put it over in the side. So we're gonna take it, put it over here, and then I gotta move this boy and put him over here so that I can put the trailer there. Because that car and that trailer, next thing we're working on. Because it's got a lot of extra pieces laying around here for it, and we need to get all the pieces gone. So we're going to take that, and we're going to bring it in, put it in here, and we're going to work on it. That's the next project on the roster. So we got to pull it out, put the hot rod that's in the building over here, put the trailer over here, and then put that red rod in the building. So that's what we're going to do now, so let's get freaking started. So I got this dude pulled up here. As you can see, it's kind of buried. That's the spare tire of the trailer, not even the wheel. This is a car I bought a long time ago. I've had it forever. It was built in a Chrysler foundry downtown on Union time and free money. And well, we're gonna unload it because I got a diesel engine I'm gonna put in it. I got like 4 engines for it. It's got really cool wheels that I bought. But we're gonna unload it. It was originally gonna be a road car, but I finally had decided and relegated myself to the fact that it's much too rough to be a road car. And I bought this T-bucket, which is supposed to get that, which is way better. Gonna be a way better car at the end of the day, so you know. But we're gonna unload it and get some engine put in it. That, you can't see the yellow engine back there, it's called a Lombardini. It's a diesel, so that's freaking sweet. So we're gonna put it in there. But first we gotta get the car pulled off of here, and then we'll pull it back down and put it away, hopefully. So, yee-haw. So got her down. It's kind of cool. We thought about maybe painting it that turquoise, and then we had it red. Well, I didn't paint it red. Somebody had it red. Somebody had it blue. We've swapped the rear end and the front end out of it at one point, but I swapped the front end back. So the first operation is going to be to swap the other rear end back into it because it's the one we need for this version. But it's kind of cool. As you can see, it's pretty low to the ground. It's got that sweet toe bumper on there somebody made for it, and yeah. It's kind of a cool little car. So they made all this front end sheet metal for it. It had seats and everything in it. We'll get it tuned back up, but got it off this trailer. Fun story in this trailer. We got it for free. Went and picked it up. It had a bearing shot, but we got it fixed. So, okay, we got her down. Now I got to get the car out of there, over there, this trailer over there, and then this car in that building. So, gridlock serious. So, we'll see if we can't get her taken away. Okay, so here's the giant dilemma that I have. This is the T-bucket, and as you can see, it needs quite a bit of work, some fab work. This is the transmission and engine I was going to put in the T-bucket. And as you can see that, well, I don't know if you can see, but it doesn't quite fit right now. But here's the hitch. This engine and transmission is exactly the engine and transmission that goes in the Vet that I bought. So that's the hitch there, is the Vet that I bought is sitting out there, and it would bolt right in. So, and I have another engine for the T-bucket, 2 actually, but another one of that exact engine, and then I just need to find transmission, but this will take any transmission I can put in it, because as you see, there's a giant hole there. And if I'm going automatic, which I kind of have to for reasons of foot room, then I need to find transmission. But I've got 2 manuals, so I don't know, so many decisions. But right now we need to move it from over here to that hole and pull this out so that we can pull that red dude in there and get it done. So let's finish that project while we think about the other one. I'll put a pole up or something and you guys decide. Okay, so we got this emptied right here, so that's nice. We got a big old hole here. And I know it's only half of it, but basically, first things first, we got to come out here and get this single file line situation figured out, because that back there has got to go in this hole here. So, and then that trailer has got to go in this hole here, and here's the T-bucket. We got to get a tarp on it. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure out how to be Houdini. Then we got to get cleaned up before it gets dark. So yeehaw.